Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy and paste multiple labels in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, copy and paste multiple labels and going to the mailing option and click for the labels option. Now for writing this address labels. This character address right. Now click for the Microsoft Words its labels option, then initial size. Now for OK and click for the new document option. That's OK. Then you show the labels option. This labels is copy and paste. Firstly select your text and click for the mouse right button option and click for the copy option. And this any labels option, click and paste from. Click for the mouse right button option and click for the paste option. That's OK. Then again select your text and click for the mouse right button option. Click for the copy option and paste from the select your column is click for the mouse right button option, click for the paste option. That's OK. That's OK. Then we show the copy multiple labels option, copy and paste. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.